cable from fucking China. I told her to ship them separate. That's why these are from China. Is not from China.
You'll have to excuse my friend. He's a little slow.
Okay. Ah, stupid. What do you have to say now? You look like an idiot, huh? Huh?
So I'm going to show you guys how to assemble one of our top of the line RAUfilters. If you don't have one of these things and you have monsters, especially stingrays, well, I don't even know how you're maintaining your systems, to be very honest. I think nowadays everybody should be running one of these drum filters. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to put this thing together because it comes disassembled, and hopefully in watching this video you'll also understand the benefits to it and how it works. This is our 8,000 gallon per hour model.